Hey guys, today I'm making a yogurt tub cake. Start by emptying 3 tubs of yogurt into a bowl. I'm not going to be baking the cake in the yogurt tub. They're made of plastic, so that would be crazy. I'm simply going to measure out the ingredients using a yogurt container, and each of these are 100 grams. Then add in 1.5 tubs of oil, 2 tubs of sugar, and 3 eggs. Use a whisk and mix everything together well. I've tried this recipe with many flavors of yogurt and it's delicious every time. Then add in 4 tubs of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Mix everything together well till the flour is no longer visible. A few small lumps in the batter is alright. Transfer the batter into a greased baking pan. Level it out and bake at 180 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes. Remove it from the oven and allow it to cool slightly, then transfer onto a wire rack and it's ready to serve. This cake is best served warm. Add on an optional sprinkling of powdered sugar and enjoy. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.